Hi Professor, this is Vikram. Here we are with the lab tool data manipulation assignment. Um, as suggested by you, I have installed Jupyter and able to install the SQL libraries. Now, coming to the point, here I have created a code that is basically um, help us to understand the SQL and its basic functionalities. Now I have created a table with the sales data. Here are its schema. The rest is like I have inserted few rows into it. The number of rows are 43. It's a mix with the different data types: float, integer, timestamp, and varchar. So coming like checking the data here, I was doing did a select star. In select star, I can see the whole data along with the number of columns. So for every just giving you a brief about the columns, it is basically the order number, customer ID, what is the order date, number of units for particular item, and unit cost of particular item, and what are the total amount that person got after this sale. Yeah. Now, um, so what I did, as I can see in the rep column, there are two null values, blank values more specifically. So I deleted them so that I can get a better data. Then I have updated a region because I can see a central region to be a little vague. So I converted into north. Okay, so 23 rows affected here. Now, what I need to find out, I need to find out the on the particular quarter what are the number of on what is the total sum of the amount paid for that particular item quarterly. So I have did created a query for the same. Select item quarter and find out the sum and grouped by on the basis of item and quarter, order by items. So here I can see that I got what I needed on the basis of pencil, and with the bifurcation on the basis of quarters, I get what is the quarterly sum of each quarter. Now similarly for the rest, and the item is basically used as a sorting column as well with the with descending. Now coming to what we are gonna visualize it from here is that you know quarterly basis how the items are you know uh, are getting sell. Now if we can see that the how the binders are basically giving a very good profit, then coming to the rest like desk and pen are basically decreasing its sales. Similarly, pencil as well, but pencils are have shown a bit more decrease. So the last chart is of on the basis of regions, that how regional basis our sales are growing or decreasing. Now, what I did for that, I simply on the basis of region, I have done a select sum and analyzed it at the regional sales, grouped it by region. Now, if we see that here, we can see the north has the maximum share of sales, east has the second last, and the west is last. Here we are able to see how the regional sales are basically behaving. And at the end, I have dropped the table sales as directed by you. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much, and bye.